As Puerto Rico is being devastated by the aftermath of Hurricane Maria, this is a video of a young man who went to find his parents and see how they were. He was worried about them. He was concerned if they were okay. As he's approaching the house, of course, he sees the flooding waters. He sees that it has about a foot inside of the house, and you're worried about your parents. But when he walks in, what he experiences is that in the middle of their storm, they're worshiping Jesus Christ.
Que sin ti mi vida es vana y que sin tu amor no viviré. Me encuentro perdido a tal manera. Por favor, Señor, ayúdame. ¿A dónde iré, Jehová, sin ti? Que eres el guía a seguir. ¿A dónde iré? ¿A dónde iré, Jehová, sin ti? Tú eres el fuego que me quema. Quiero sentirlo de mil maneras. ¿A dónde iré? ¿A dónde iré, Jehová, sin ti? ¿A dónde iré, Jehová, sin ti? Que eres el guía a seguir. ¿A dónde iré? ¿A dónde iré, Jehová, sin ti? Tú eres el fuego que me quema. Quiero sentirlo de mil maneras. ¿A dónde iré? ¿A dónde iré, Jehová, sin ti?
Luke 8:22. Now it came to pass on a certain day that he went into a ship with his disciples. And he said unto them, Let us go unto the other side of the lake. And they launched forth. As you know the story, they began to fear the winds that day. But God had told them, let us go over to the other side. Maybe God has told you today that we're going to the other side on any task in your life, and you're fearful of the storm, and you're fearful of the winds, and you're fearful of the thunder. Worship Jesus Christ in the middle of your storm. They worshiped Jesus even when their belongings were destroyed. They're worshiping Jesus even when they have about a foot of water on their legs. They're worshiping Jesus because they realize that without Jesus, they have nothing. I pray that you and I can develop this type of faith. May God bless you and your family. Keep seeking Jesus Christ.